Welcome to American Roots. We wanted to make a special video. We wanted to say thank you to our first, well, by this time it's about 123 subscribers. We are just so amazed that you guys are willing to follow us in our journey. We just want to share our story of somebody who wants to break free and try and start living free by homesteading, and we're doing the best with what we have right now, and we are just so honored and touched that you would follow us and subscribe to us and want to see our story, engage with us, and build community. So we just want to say thank you for that. And we started a website. If you go to AmericanRootsFarm.com, there you can read more about our family, more about our story. I have typed up some of the recipes I've shared in the videos, and we also have a merch store open. So we designed these shirts, American Roots Farm, and we put them for sale in our merch store. And if you put in the discount code FIRST100, then we'll give you 20% off your entire order, no minimum order required. We just want to say thank you. We are just entirely touched and blessed to be along in this community journey with you, and we just want to say thank you.
Thank you.
And until next time, from our family to yours, may God bless you.